Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a simple, healthy juice that can support weight loss. It's refreshing, easy to make, and uses natural ingredients that help boost metabolism and improve digestion. Let's get started. You'll need 1 cup warm water, juice of 1 or 2 lemon, 1 small piece of ginger, about 1 inch, 1 teaspoon honey, optional, a pinch of black pepper, and a few mint leaves, optional. Each of these ingredients helps your body in different ways. Lemon supports digestion, ginger boosts metabolism, and warm water helps cleanse your system. Pour 1 cup of warm water into a glass. Squeeze in the fresh lemon juice. Grate the ginger and add it in. Add a pinch of black pepper. Add honey if you prefer a little sweetness. Stir well and garnish with mint leaves. Mix everything properly so all the nutrients combine well. For best results, drink this juice in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also have it 30 minutes before meals. Remember, this juice works best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. This is a simple and natural way to support your weight loss journey. Try it consistently and stay active. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to share and follow for more healthy tips. See you in the next video.